Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today is the day. That sight doesn't get old. Today is the day mods start for the truck. Day one, we're gonna go and we're gonna tint the windows. Just like a lot of you know, I love window tint. I'm like pro window tint. We're gonna tint the windows of the truck. I'll probably run you through a montage, you know, tinting the windows, and then afterwards I'm gonna explain my process and why I tint the way I tint. I'm excited. It is, you know, day 3 with the truck and the mods are starting. So I'm excited, man. It doesn't get old look walking out the front door and see my truck there. So let's go. Oh, and if you haven't been here before, please get down there, click subscribe, follow this build. You won't be disappointed. As you can see, the front window is completely clear. The back window's got a factory 20 on it. So we're gonna come in through here and we're gonna tint this 5% up front, and we're gonna match the 20 in the rear. So it's 5% all the way across the truck. Oh yeah. All right, there we have it, guys. I tinted these windows 5%, the back 20, just like my old car, the Jetta. I left the back 20, 5 on the sides, 50% windshield. I left the windshield blank on this one. Gave myself the visor and ran with 5% on the sides. As you can see, you could not see in. I just want to give you guys a quick shot right here in the daylight, and I'm gonna go home and I'll talk more about my process and why I chose and did what I did. All right, we just got home. So I just want to go over real quick on my process. The film I use, as you can see, we use Lumar film. Lumar film is some of the best film out there. So I know I got a lot of questions about that. What film are you using? Why do you use it? Use Lumar film. It is, you know, some of the best film out there and has a lifetime warranty. Doesn't purple, doesn't fade. It's a good quality window film. Secondly, some people tint and they don't do what I did and pop, you know, the door panel and take the weather stripping out. I personally get in there and take the weather stripping out because it makes it a lot easier, especially on a truck like this. The seals, you know, back in the corner, those are extremely tight, and it makes it so much easier just to, you know, not have that seal in there. I know some people do it with the seal in there, but to make it the easiest possible tinting job, you just take the seals out. You can do it with them in, and you can do them with them out. I used to do them with them in, and then when I started working where I work now, the guys there, they did it with the they do it with the seals by taking them out, and I can tell you it's so much easier, so much simpler, so much less of a headache. That's why I do that. Yeah, I went with 5% all the way around. As you saw at the beginning, I used the tint meter and double checked that the back windows were in fact 20% from the factory. Sometimes they come 35, but I just used the tint meter and checked. I was gonna show you the final tint reading of the windows. Obviously I can't roll them down. And the truck looks good. Like I said, guys, this is day 3 with the truck. Mods have already started. I'm gonna do a simple engine mod coming up too. It's gonna start, you know, ramping up here as the season changes from winter to spring and spring to summer. This truck is gonna be crazy, and I can't wait to get there. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please shoot me a big thumbs up, like this video, and if you haven't been here before, please click subscribe, join the build, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.